Good morning, guys. It is our second day in Chiang Mai and okay, I don't know what happened there. So it's our second day and I have a really fun activity for today because, as you guys might know, I absolutely love Thai food. It's one of my favorite food in the world. I've shared already a couple times my green curry recipe, but today I'm going to do a cooking course lesson. It's gonna be a full day, so I think we're gonna start at the market and we're gonna do like groceries with like local ingredients and products, and then after we're gonna cook. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Okay, we're still waiting for the car. They don't have Uber here, they have Grab, so make sure if you're gonna go to Thailand you download that. So yeah, time for a quick like outfit of today. These bracelets got at the night market here. This ring I got at Hotspot, which is a store in Amsterdam. So the dress is from Reformation, and my flip-flops are from Isabel Marant. Next, what is your outfit of today?
Oh, so I got Lululemon. I got some Adidas. Got some Amazon socks.
Oh my god.
I think you got this.
Can someone send some help?
Did you buy this for me?
I did.
You did. And then I got my fanny pack. My Asian tourist fanny pack. But it's like Louis Vuitton, so it's cool.
Yeah. Did you get you some styling tips?
It's Louis Vuitton.
Oi, 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 oi.
More people to come.
Okay, thank you.
So, hello, morning.
Hello, good morning.
I'm Garnet.
Hi, I'm Sanne. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Hi, Max. Where are you guys from?
Holland.
Huh?
Holland.
Holland. Wow. Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna let you walk around the little while first. And later when you're done, in about 5 minutes, you can meet up here. I'll find you.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm tall. You can find me.
Okay, take your time first. Okay?
Thank you.
Babe.
Yeah. That's like a big
Jackfruit, right?
Jackfruit. Maybe.
I don't know.
Oh.
It looks like a life-size replica of my...
Oh my god. I did not hear that. So we just arrived at the market and we're still waiting for like other people to arrive, and we're just gonna take a look and walk around a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna start our food tour, and we're gonna start at the coconut stand. So we just got like a little tour over the market. We saw like the rice, the noodles, different like spices and veggies they use, and we're gonna head to the kitchen now, and I think we're gonna make about like 6 dishes today. So I will come home with a lot of new cooking inspiration. So I think I overcooked my noodle.
To get them out.
Yeah, they get like one big clump. Spicy curry going on here. What are you making?
Vegetables.
Vegetables, yummy. Yummy. My favorite, papaya salad. I'm gonna cut and Max is gonna stamp. we finished cooking 6 different dishes and we ate them all. I'm so full. I feel almost pregnant, but no, it was absolutely amazing. Yeah, as I told you guys already, that Thai is like one of my favorite kind of food, and I just enjoy like a lot going over to street markets and just trying all different kind of dishes. So today was really fun to learn from a real Thai how to cook Thai food. So I will definitely take this with me and maybe I can teach you guys something as well. It is time to take a nap and to chill out. Good morning, guys. Or actually, good morning. What am I saying? It's like 11:30 a.m. Today I kind of had like a very slow day. We just woke up, had like a huge breakfast. So much that I had to go back to bed and take a nap. So 11:30, the day is going to start, and yeah, sun is out. So today we are going on an adventure. Max just rent a motor bicycle. He didn't want to have a scooter because it was too slow, so cross fingers. I'm gonna make it. So yeah, we're just gonna drive around, explore Chiang Mai a little bit, and maybe go to like a tree hut restaurant or something like that, somewhere where like we have like a super nice view. So before I'm leaving, ooh, it is pretty dark in here. So okay, before I'm leaving, I need to put some sunblock on. Ooh. So for my skincare, I'm going to start with this Vitabless Vitamin C serum with vitamin C and E oil. So this really like recovers your skin. There we go. Especially with the sun, like it really damages your skin, so this makes it smooth. There we go. Okay, and then of course, before I'm gonna head out, I'm going to use sunscreen. And the sunscreen I really like to use is this super good one. It's factor 50 SPF, and this really protects my face. So I put like a tiny bit of mascara on, so I look a little bit awake. The rest is all fresh. I really don't like to wear a lot of makeup, especially when I'm like in the heat and on a holiday and outside. I will show you guys quickly what I'm wearing. I have this super cute top from Reformation. It's really, really pretty. And these are just shorts by Levi's. And that's it. I love dressing in the summer. It's just like you barely have to put anything on or think about anything you have to wear. So yeah, I'm gonna pack all my stuff, get my bag, camera, batteries, sunscreen, and then we're gonna go. Well, Maxi came back and we got a motor bicycle, but we don't have a route yet, so that's what we're trying to figure out right now. So we have like the map of Chiang Mai here.
Okay, so hot springs are around here.
Yeah.
And this is the mountain. This goes up to that massive giant cafe at the tree.
It's pretty. Geysers. Oh.
Hey, there's a monkey. It came from...
You gas all the animals away. Perfect. All the mosquitoes gone. All the monkeys gone. Perfect.
Okay. So then what we do is you come around, you just go through there, and then we're
Vape. This is disgusting.
What are you talking about?
Disgusting. All natural. Oh,
Maybe it's organic fertilizer, right?
Organic.
It's fertilized
Ew.
tire,
Okay.
crop dusting. So what do you do first?
Well, if this is sunset, then let's go first here.
Okay.
So this here is about like an hour drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, I think we should leave it up to chance.
Okay.
There we go. Okay.
Heads. Yay. Hey. Wow, that's a pretty
Safety first.
safety first. This is hot. Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, that's a really nice one.
This around your waist.
Huh? Yes. There we go. All packed up.
So what do you have? You have a dope fanny pack. Is it Supreme?
So fancy pants. Oh my god, my ass hurts so much. So we were driving and it took quite a while. First we got stopped by the police because apparently you need an international driver license.
Don't forget that. Make sure
So for everyone who goes to Thailand, get an international driver license, otherwise you have to pay a fee. What we had to do. But it was so gorgeous, like we saw like all coffee farms or other organic farms, jungle, and it was nice.
Organic monkey farm. I don't know what a monkey farm is.
Oh yeah,
though.
that's not so
But they
bad.
like my banana.
The almond. Here you go. Okay, let's take this helmet off.
I wouldn't leave it. I wouldn't leave the helmet.
No, but I want to take it off though. Oh. Hold on. Oh. Bad hair day, guys. So. Okay. Let's check out this waterfall.
Where's the waterfall?
Yay, we made it! Hair flip. Oh my god, my butt hurt. Can you hold this, please? So we arrived at the Giant. So this is like a viewing point and restaurant, coffee place. Aww. It's so peaceful here. We did
what? Show me.
my son waterfall, which is not on the list. And then we did Giant Park Cafe because that's around the corner, which was also on the list. So getting there, everything is a little bit further than expected, but that's fine.
Oh, wow.
So we are back in the hotel, and we were supposed to go out for dinner, but we're so tired. We drove around all day, so I just ordered some green curry and our favorite mango smoothie. And tomorrow we're gonna fly to Phuket, so this is going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I just wanted to say good night.